How to troubleshoot restore drill jobs that are stuck. After logging into the AhsayCBS web console as an admin user, click on Live Activities and select the Restore Drill tab. There seems to be a job which has been pending for a long time. Click on Backup Restore Logs and select Activities Log tab. Select Filter Type as Restore Drill Error to display all related errors for today. Check for any errors shown. In this case, Restore Drill job was skipped because there is not enough disk space on the backup server based on the current setting. To resolve this issue, we will lower the minimum free space required value. Click on Backup Restore Basic tile. Select the Restore Drill tab to display the Restore Drill system setting. Adjust the minimum disk space required from 50 GB to 30 GB. Click on Save icon to confirm. Click on Live Activities and select the Restore Drill tab to check on the status of the job. The job has now started.